Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the Fan Edition with 5G. Okay, first of all we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Here has been the phone in, and below that you will have this little white box here with some instruction in it, and on the back you will have the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it like this. And yeah, otherwise you could use, by the way, also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you need to enter this hole. But please take care, don't take the hole next to the SIM tray, because this is the microphone. So take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. So take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, enter that hole of the SIM tray and press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and if you want a second one below. Okay, which one is the first SIM and the second SIM you can recognize with the little image here. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. So put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card, but I have to hold the first one here because if not, it jumps out. Place the second SIM card on the other side. Also, your missing corner on missing corner. Should look like the same as the first one. And the contacts are also on the top. Okay, and if you're ready with, then put the construction back to the phone. So the second SIM is on the side of the camera and the first SIM card would be on the side of the display. Okay, and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thought. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And you've got also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.